Where we last left off, the boys and I had just arrived in Kyoto, ate some life-changing gyoza, and saw a temple illumination. We pick up as we're headed out for our first full day exploring Kyoto. We are headed out right now to what is probably the most famous and well-known place in all of Kyoto. So that's why we're headed out early. It's 6:22. The nearest train station is like a 12-minute walk, unfortunately, but we like the area we're staying in, so it's cool. There's our boy, Mr. Gyoza, right there. That place back there, Mr. Gyoza. If you didn't see yesterday's video, we all pretty much agreed the best Japanese food we've had so far. Okay, we're gonna stop at this Lawson's and get some breakfast real quick. Look guys, they sell pancakes. Hello, Mr. Koi. You're the first koi I've seen in Japan, at least the first colorful one. Stop playing with him. Nate's pretending like he's throwing food in so they'll come.
Another one showed up.
You're messing with them.
Oh, they kid.
Hi guys. We're passing by the temple, the pagoda, that we ended up accidentally finding that there was a nighttime illumination event happening at last night. Ooh, the water here is nasty though. On this part, it's really nasty. It was nice back there where those fish were. We're waiting now in the train station here. We've got to take 2 trains from where we're staying. The place we're going this morning is mega popular. Hopefully it's not going to be too overwhelming already. We'll see. What do you guys think about the Kyoto vibe?
A lot smaller.
You like it?
I'm enjoying it.
Yeah.
I haven't really got a full experience of it yet, but last night was cool.
For sure. We haven't even been here 24 hours, but so far, you guys know I like small cities way more compared to big cities, so Tokyo is a little overwhelming.
20 minutes later.
Alright guys, we just arrived at Fushimi Inari Shrine. It's already packed. I knew it would be, but let's do it. Also guys, here's the train station. You just come out here on Inari, and the shrine is literally right here. It is very easy. Fushimi Inari Shrine is that place you see all over Instagram that has millions of red gates back to back to back. It's a ridiculously popular place for people to come to take pictures and film videos. To top it all off, there's actually no admission fee here at all. We found the temple, shrine, or whatever, whichever one it is, but obviously that's not what anybody comes here for. Yeah, I think it's up there. Guys, we're not even to the famous part, but nobody shows this part really because it's not the shocking part, I guess. But this part down here as well is really beautiful. Like, well, you can't go through the center. On torii gates, if you guys don't know, the center is meant for divine beings only. So you need to cross to the right or the left. We made it into the ridiculously long line of torii gates. This is where you just keep going. Everybody says that there's tons of people in the beginning part, but if you just keep going, there'll be nobody there. We don't worry about it now. Oh wait, this isn't even where people get all the pictures. It's up here.
Yeah.
We're not even really in it yet. This is just the entrance. Okay, now we're actually in it. For now, we're just gonna go forward. We're not gonna try and stop and do any photos or anything for now. We're skipping by all the people. Alright, we made it to the first little checkpoint area, I guess. Some people hopefully turn around here. We're gonna keep going. There's this dude, he like stopped right in the middle of the path, right in front of us, multiple times, but then someone stopped in front of him and he acted all annoyed about it. It's like, bro. Oh, he's up there doing it again, right now.
People left money on top of the shrine.
And an offering? Oh, on top of the dome.
Yeah.
I came up a little further and found this view of Kyoto. I don't want to put anyone on blast, but some of the other people in the group don't like that they're hiking so early in the morning. They weren't very happy, so they're already waiting down there and let me go on alone, but I guess I'll go back. Yeah, it goes on a lot further. It goes on like 5 kilometers. We did maybe like 1. Definitely the earlier you can come, the better. It's open 24 hours a day. People recommend like 6 a.m. We got here 7:30. They have these little torii gates for sale on the way out. You can get your name and date put on it. Yeah, Nate's gonna get one. He likes it. It's pretty cool. Neko. Neko-san. Finally, that's the first cat I've seen in Japan. He's just chilling, man. Everybody tries to talk to him, I guarantee it. We were trying to talk to him, he's just like, whatever, bro. Another one. Neko.
Oh gosh, you can tell he's a wild cat. He's so coarse.
Look, guys, another one. A third one. Hello, Neko. You're getting a little old. Are you a senior cat? All right, we'll leave you alone. Hey, how'd you get up there? Is that your spot? You on the prowl, bud? You are. What are you hunting? The other cat? You hunting your friend? Why are you guys all black and white?
That's what I was thinking. They must be all from a similar litter.
The other people I'm with aren't as into cats as I am, or just animals in general. They said, we like dogs. And that's it, I guess. As we were leaving the shrine, we turned down this little road and found ourselves surrounded by a line of mouth-watering street food. Nate, what is this thing you got?
A fried potato spiral seasoned with salt.
Nate, you look like you've done that before. Just playing.
It's really good.
Is it really good?
Wanna try a little bit?
Is it like a chip? I don't want where you had your mouth all over it. All right, let me see. Guys, that's awesome. Drew, that is awesome. If you like potato chips, it's like a super good potato chip. Warm. These little mochis with the strawberries on top caught my eye, and there was literally nothing I could do to resist trying one. This is really good. The custard is really good in there, and I love strawberries. Oh my god. We just found all this food randomly. We're trying to go to our next spot and just accidentally turn down this street just as they were like opening up too. Oh, it smells so good here. Guys, this is incredibly good. Oh my god. When you eat it with the strawberry in there, oh my god. The mochi, the custard, and the strawberry all together, this is amazing. Drew got one of those potato things as well, but he said his is barbecue flavor. I think I like Drew's better because I love barbecue flavor, but they're both great. I really think down that street you cannot go wrong. I bet anything you get is good. I see it. Okay, what I got earlier, I see the name now. It's strawberry and daifuku mochi. 400 for one. Setto. There's the prices for the setto.
Later.
Our next stop was a quick walk over to Tofukuji Temple. This is another spot that's supposed to be amazing for fall colors, but again, we were just slightly too early. Turns out early November isn't as colorful in some parts of Japan as it is in Indiana. Okay, we're at this temple, and I don't really know what's happening here, but there's a lot of little tents set up, and we already bought a couple little things. TJ had some red bean paste for the first time. You liked it?
It was really good. Really sweet.
You guys should try red bean paste. It sounds crazy for Americans, red bean paste, but it's sweet. It's not what you're thinking. It's not savory. It's good. They put it on a lot of things. There's been a lot of desserts. We saw a sign that said Honbo Garden. We weren't totally sure what it was, but took the risk. Looks like it's the Japanese Zen gardens where they rake the rocks. Really cool to see in person. It wasn't super big, but it was cool. I highly enjoyed that. Definitely check it out. Just that much?
I don't want to get too much. Kind of it's different. It's different. What do you eat it with?
A few moments later.
We're headed toward Kiyomizu-dera right now. There's a certain street you're supposed to take when you go because it has lots of shops and interesting things and ice cream up here. I got mango ice cream. You guys know I'm very partial to mango. That's amazing, man. Oh, look what Nate got. Whoa. Oh, is it actually good? It's good?
Delicious.
What's the flavor?
Strawberry.
Man, it is busy here, dude. There are way too many people here. This is crazy. I'm missing Mr. Gyoza right now. That's all we keep talking about it. We're obsessed. Okay, we're moving through. There's just lots to buy, lots to see. Food, souvenirs, anything you can imagine that you would want in Japan is on this road. Oh my gosh, this is wild. I'm losing people. There's lucky cats over there and a dragon. It's crazy. Bought our ticket to the temple. Oh, matching tickets. Going up there somewhere. I don't know what's in there. I thought we were already in the temple. Currently in the Kiyomizu-dera temple. There are people everywhere. I can barely even tell what I'm looking at because I'm only 5'3". I'm super short. I can barely see over everybody, but it's pretty cool. It's beautiful. It's real crowded over there. Holy crap, why are they all there? It must be a good viewpoint over there because everybody's gathering over there. This is definitely the most famous temple in Kyoto. I would recommend checking it out, but be ready for the crowds. Actually, we're about to get back in it. There's a lot of people right in front of me. Holy crap, man.
Epilogue.
Guys, I gotta tell you something. We're back at Mr. Gyoza. So good, man. I'm excited to be back here. I'm not lying. The smell has already got me excited.
10 orders of gyoza?
What is this thing you ordered? What is it?
Cucumber salad, basically.
Cucumber salad? You like it?
I make it at home all the time. Only I cut mine up into smaller pieces.
What's on it? Soy sauce?
Soy sauce. I put sriracha on them at home. And what's that?
Sweet chili sauce? I love it.
I mix that in with the soy sauce.
So good. That's really good. That's good. I just had the best meal I've had in Japan. That was amazing. That was absolutely amazing.
Dang, that was good.
You guys feeling good?
Feeling great. Feeling heavy.
I have zero regrets about like leaving the busy part of Kyoto and coming all the way down here. Dude, the other side of Kyoto right now is covered in tourists. There's tourists everywhere you go. But down here, I don't see a single tourist. You see a tourist other than us?
None of them.
This was so good. We probably won't go back there again. We're talking about yakiniku tomorrow night. Tomorrow is Drew's last full day. But we'll talk about that later. The next video is our last full day in Kyoto. And somehow we ended up in an area even more beautiful than what we'd already seen so far. Keep your eyes peeled for the next exciting chapter. Only here on We Wonder Japan. Keep wondering.